adventures. So the last time we had our adventure, but for today, we'll be having a talk about preserving the nature. Indigenous concept of science, it is said that we, the humans, are the stewards or the caretaker of the earth, and that nature is a friend to humans. And that nature is a friend to humans. Here are several ways to preserve the nature. First, the 3 R's, which means reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce your waste, reuse and recycle non-biodegradable materials such as mineral water bottles and many more. Second, plant more trees. Trees are very important since it provides us oxygen that we need for our daily living. In addition, it also provides us our primary needs such as food and materials for shelter. Lastly, waste segregation. In the local government unit, it is being implemented that no segregation, no collection policy. This helps us recognize the importance of waste segregation in the community. We have biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and recyclable waste. That is all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something, and let us all remember that we, the humans, and the nature are friends to each other.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from